Introducing Shakti by J. Rise, a transformative digital store built especially for rural India. Shakti is not just an app or a platform, it's a movement. A movement that connects aspirations to opportunities and turns everyday entrepreneurs into catalysts for change in their villages. It's where technology meets rural ambition. Welcome to Shakti by J. Rise, where we believe that dreams are not limited by geography. At Shakti, we enable rural individuals, especially women and small town entrepreneurs, to unlock their potential by becoming retail partners for some of the most sought after consumer brands. Starting your journey with Shakti is simple. Entrepreneurs begin by entering their mobile number on the platform. An OTP is immediately sent to their phone, which they must enter to complete verification. This secure and streamlined registration process ensures that even first-time digital users can get started without hassle. With just a few clicks, anyone in a village, be it a homemaker, a local youth, or a retired professional, can become a digital store owner. No prior retail experience is needed, just the ambition to grow. Wide range of aspirational products. Once onboarded, entrepreneurs get access to a diverse and growing catalog of aspirational products. From smartphones and smart TVs to refrigerators, washing machines, mixers, grinders, solar lights, and more, our inventory is curated specifically for rural households. These are not just any products, they are carefully selected based on the evolving aspirations and needs of rural families. Every product listing comes with a complete description, price, and technical specifications, helping our entrepreneurs understand and explain features to their local customers. This transparency allows entrepreneurs to confidently guide their community members, build trust, and ultimately build their own brand within their village. Managing the store from a smartphone, each entrepreneur is given a personalized login to access their digital store from their smartphone. Through an easy-to-use dashboard, they can place orders, manage customer inquiries, track their earnings, and even monitor delivery status in real time. More than just managing their store, entrepreneurs play a key role in understanding local demand, whether it's for budget phones, energy-saving appliances, or easy-to-install fans. With this local insight, they can stock or promote the right products at the right time. This ensures that the entrepreneur is not just a passive seller, but a valued solution provider in their community. Easy ordering, smart logistics. Placing an order is quick and intuitive even for semi-literate users. The app is designed with a simple interface, local language options, and icons to help guide users at every step. Once an order is placed, our backend systems kick in, connecting with verified logistics partners who ensure smooth delivery either to the entrepreneur's doors